Welcome and let's talk about Shiba Inu price. And remember, Shiba Inu lately has also dropped in price, just like every other crypto coins have dropped in price. Now, so many crypto predators, even Shiba Inu holders, communities believe that next year Shiba Inu is going to hit between 1,000 to 10,000%. But many people believe Shiba Inu definitely is going to delete at least one or two zeros before the end of next year, 2023. And if that is going to be possible, then I believe, of course, it's going to be possible for Shiba Inu to hit that level. But for me, I think Shiba Inu hitting between 1,000 to 10,000% is going to be possible, especially the 1,000 to 5,000. But that 10,000% Shiba Inu need a lot of work to be done. You might ask, what kind of work do they need to do? Because in terms of community, in terms of market cap, in terms of ranking, and in terms of popularity, Shiba Inu have all this. So what do they need to do? What the most important thing Shiba Inu need to do right now in order to gain massive increase? For Shiba Inu can even hit over 1,000,000%. If Shiba Inu can achieve this, what do I mean? I'm talking about burning, destroying the speculative supply of Shiba Inu. Now take a look at the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. You will discover that Shiba Inu is one of the coins that have the highest circulating supply. And if I want to take a look at the top 50, Shiba Inu have the highest circulating supply. Now take a look at Chronos CRO. Now, Chronos CRO have just about a little bit over 25 billion coins in circulation. Now, some coins have just 250 million coins. You see some coins having just 200 million coins, 1 billion coins. But Shiba Inu have over 548 trillion coins in circulation. That is why they need to burn. That is why they need to destroy some certain percentage of this circulating supply. And to me, I think if they can focus on that next year, Shiba Inu is going to become one of the biggest coin next year. Yes, the name, they have everything it takes, but they need to destroy. If Shiba Inu start burning, start destroying, that massively burning Shiba Inu, wow, this is going to really push the price of Shiba Inu. We are going to experience second or third phase of Shiba Inu pump, believe it. And when this start pumping, you see so many crypto traders will jump into Shiba Inu. Even some Shiba Inu holders will want to buy more, and you can see Shiba Inu is going to dominate once again. So to me, I think the Shiba Inu developers need to focus on how to increase the burning of Shiba Inu. Yes, the burning platform is there where you can burn, but Shiba Inu is still burning between 100 and 200 million coins in a day. I mean, this is a coin that have over 548 or 49 trillion coins in circulation. So destroying 200 million, 400 million coins in a single day, I mean, within the next 20, 30 years, we will still be counting Shiba Inu circulating supply over 500 trillion coins. That is the truth. So that is why something special needs to be done in order to destroy this circulating supply of Shiba Inu. And if the developers can really achieve this, it's going to be a positive one for Shiba Inu. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.